Seems like there's this self-made or man-made lake all across this place. Nice view. So it seems like our objective to try and catch up to the kayakers is working out. I think because of the wind. So you'll see just in a moment. Ducking family. So the canoeists or kayakers are catch-upping. I'll keep moving. Alright, thanks for joining us. Also, if you have some time, you saw how this place looks. It's quite great, and you know, you breathe easily. It's within nature and beautiful. So this is the lake all around. I'll check what's the correct name for this whole area. Yeah, basically we're done. See you later.